Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Study Video Model. In this video, we're gonna make the features, global features, but they will look more realistic. So first of all, we're gonna make this pink one. We have to make total 12 features just fit this picture. And the main thing we're gonna use the texture painting, modeling. First gravity wrapping, then modeling the pieces, and then UV wrapping it. These three main work is required, and these three works we are gonna cover in this video. First of all, we are gonna model the pieces. I added the image first, but then I model the fish like this, and then scale them from every angle. Then make the whole fish bodies like this. Extrude on every loop and every vertex edge from around front to back, and then extrude some area, scale some vertices around, match the shape as it looks good. Just like this, we have to model every stitch like this. So first one is important, then we can continue making the other, making the rest of the pieces like that. Now scale them just on the X to piece its skin and skin. Piece its skin and length. Okay. Thin and slim. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Now scale some area for the board. Now editings. And now extrude the fins on top and on the bottom and place them correctly. Set the vertices correctly according to the image. A slow body in shape is important, otherwise we can make it UV wrap it later. First low body, make the low body shape, and then UV wrapping will do the rest of it. Just like this, modeling which is kind of important. We can make eyes if we want, but UV wrapping completes everything. So it's up to us to keep the UV wrapping and to make the eyes or not. Okay. I made the first one with the eyes and insert them just like this. Okay, so this looks much better. Now we have to bring the mouth and extrude them inward just like this. Make the mouth from the inside. We don't need to make it a lot deeper from inside, but a little bit detail is important. Now we can UV wrap it and the same image in the UV editing layout and add the image texture to the sheet. Then add the UV project from view. Then set the image as the shape of the UV from every angle. Then we can make the fish like this. Like that. Okay, this looks much better. It is quite looking realistic, and we can make all of them just like this. Now we have to make this one, add triangle on the 6 segment. Then we can make all of them by stick segments on the cylinders, and then extrude out model the fish first, and then extrude out every part of the fish. Then scale them, and then place the vertices correctly. Just like that. Now scale some area for better result. Now extrude the fin and the back tail of the fish and scale them a lot from the back on the x-axis and odd S from the middle to give some roundness from the side. Then in the last we UV it, and then our fishes are complete. Then we're gonna use with the same image of this fish and then set the shape. Just like I said, if necessary, make the eyes, otherwise you will do the work first. Okay. And then UV the same image from the recipe, that image vector, and then UV it from product from view. Like the same image for every piece, and then UV and place the UV correctly on the fish. Just like this, it is a quite easy way, but it can be a lot complicated sometimes. But lifting UV is more fun than getting the shape of the fish and everything else. It is important to have a high quality reference image, so we can, if we need to UV any object, I recommend to you that you have to add more pictures, just like I made fish one right here. And in my suggestion, you can add reference according with the resolution. So the resolution of the image is 1080p, 1080 pixels, and any below, but remember to keep them display to give them good display. Make sure to check if they look good, otherwise don't. But see them, but remember to keep them not pixelated. If our picture is pixelated, then our model will be look pixelated. Then we fill this area like this. Then our fish number 4 is complete. Then just like this, we're gonna complete the whole square tissue like that. This is down. Three main work is important: collecting reference images and modeling the case, and then we unwrapping it, and finally done. Add the same image in the UV for this stage 2 and correct the UV from every part of the stage. Now 4 fish are complete. Then we're gonna make this yellow one. You can make as much as you can, but I recommend to you to keep them and simple and quite realistic with the help. Only a simple method and a little bit of hard work can make something really great. After we're done modeling and UV unwrapping it, we need to go to the edit mode of this model, the page, and select mesh, and then shading we can do the shade mode. Or otherwise, we can do that vertex select context menu and choose smooth vertices. It will give us smooth surface for the model. It's a good way to smooth some objects, but sometimes it gets a lot complicated to smooth an object. But shade smoothing is important. Remember, This is a new playlist from a project. I need to make the fishes and something else. Big surprise. Not a big surprise, a project. And follow me to create more stuff like this, like game props and environment, game materials, and everything else. They are coming soon, very soon. So follow me, like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me and try to make those things like this. Remember to add their reference images with a little bit of quality, high quality. I'm not saying that you collect the high red the images and that's not the right thing. The thing is that you need only a good picture to do UVs for your model. If you know UV mapping and just like activating, just painting like that. You can then UV scrapings from my tutorial in the blend video experience and check out the videos in my channel. Like, subscribe to my channel and follow me to create more game props like that. Now I can share smoothly from the best vertices like that. Now only I think 5 to 6, 3 to 4 vertices pieces are left, and then we make many pieces as we want, and then we finish our work and the modeling UV and everything. We can add armature to it later on if we want to animate it. But if you want, then add the armature and we can animate it later on. No need no need a complicated armature, just a simple 3 to 4 bones for seeing mouth and back and full body, the tail and full body. So we can animate it later on if we want to. Okay guys, this is a quick tutorial of my picture modelings and UV unwrapping them and make it look realistic. So like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Then I'll see you in the next one. Keep watching me and follow me to create more fun stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Follow me to create more game props like that. And I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.